Hello everyone, this is Kalsi Robotics, and here we have a new project. This is our Alexa, and here we have fingerprint sensor. This is our Arduino Uno, and this is our lock. This is actually door lock, and here this is all our setup, and this is a laptop where we are getting the output from the sensor and the information of lock. And you can see when I'm putting finger to my fingerprint sensor. Now my lock is open. You can see over here the lock is open, and over this the lock is open actually. Whenever I'm putting the second finger, the lock is turned on. So it is the open lock and closed loop concept, and I'm getting the information on my laptop as well. And also I can communicate with Alexa. Alexa, open the lock. Say, Alexa, close the lock. And this is a two-way security system, and hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video.